Welcome to Career Curators. In this video, we are going to show you how to write a resume that gets you noticed. A well-written resume can help you stand out from the competition and increase your chances of getting an interview. Here are a few tips for writing a resume that gets noticed. Use keywords. When you're applying for a job online, your resume will likely be scanned by an applicant tracking system, ATS. The ATS will look for keywords that are relevant to the job opening. To make sure your resume is picked up by the ATS, be sure to include relevant keywords throughout your resume, especially in your summary statement, skills section, and work experience section. Quantify your results. Whenever possible, quantify your results in your resume. This will help employers understand the impact of your work. For example, instead of saying increased sales, say increased sales by 15%. Use action verbs. Start each bullet point in your resume with an action verb. This will make your resume more dynamic and engaging. For example, instead of saying managed a team, say led a team of 10 employees. Tailor your resume to each job you apply for. Don't just use the same resume for every job you apply for. Take the time to tailor your resume to each specific job opening. This means highlighting the skills and experience that are most relevant to the job. Get feedback. Once you've finished writing your resume, ask someone else to review it and give you feedback. This could be a friend, family member, or career counselor. Getting feedback will help you to identify any areas that need improvement. Proofread carefully. Before you submit your resume, be sure to proofread it carefully for any errors in grammar or spelling. A typo-free resume will make you look more professional and polished. Here are some additional tips for writing a resume that gets noticed. Keep your resume concise. A one-page resume is ideal, but you may need to go to 2 pages if you have a lot of experience. Use a professional font and format. Choose a font that is easy to read and that is appropriate for the job you are applying for. Use white space to make your resume easy to scan. Use a consistent style throughout your resume. By following these tips, you can write a resume that gets you noticed. A well-written resume can help you stand out from the competition and increase your chances of getting an interview. Thanks for watching. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.